be talking about amethysts. Hey all you fine folks, welcome back to my channel. My name is America of America's Abstracts. If you're new here, hi. I use fluid art to distract myself from my various chronic illnesses. So as a result of that, you get a new creation or a how-to video twice a week on Thursdays and Sundays. I hope everyone is having a good middle of their week. Happy Thursday. We're going to be talking about amethysts. Today's creation video is the second in line in my Precious Gems series. I think I did a pretty darn good job for amethyst for not only swipes, but I also tried out a bloom and wanted to see how that turned out. If you like seeing my creation videos and want to see more, I highly suggest you hit that subscribe button as well as hit the bell for notifications. That way you can get notified when I upload my videos. Again, I do that twice a week. Comment down below what your favorite gemstone is. While I am doing this series, I still want to know. Like I said, my favorite is opal, but I do have a few other favorites. Amethyst is one of those, because purple is one of my favorite colors. Shout out to my mom. She definitely got me into purple. you guys enjoyed that video. What do you think about that amethyst turnout? I think it's pretty darn cool, both the bloom and the swipes. I hope you guys have a good rest of your week. I hope you guys are nice to one another, and my fellow chronic illness sufferers like me, paint through the pain. Alright guys, hope you have a good one. I'll see you next week. Bye!